second order partial differential equations. So you know very well, second order partial differential equations are nothing but, for example, if you take dou square y by dou x square. So here you can see there is a differentiation of order 2. Am I right? Because this is dou square y by dou x square. So the order of this equation is 2. Am I right? The order of this equation is 2. And this is dou symbol. So what it means? It is partial differential equation. We can say this partial differential. I think that it's very clear to you. So partial differential equations or equation with second order. So we are going to take in this chapter, we are going to talk on second order partial differential equations. Second order in the sense, in the problems you will have, see, suppose you can take this example. See, in all these terms you can see this dou square. So second order differential equations. So in that, so once you are clear, okay, partial differential equation of second order. So what is next? The next is we have to understand what type of equation it is. What type of equation is? Because in partial differential equation of second order, we have three types of equations. They are elliptic, parabolic and hyperbolic. Elliptic, parabolic, hyperbolic. Okay. So elliptic, parabolic, hyperbolic can be understood by the concept of, maybe in school level you would have understood, like we had a concept called a discriminant, finding discriminant in order to find the roots, whether the roots are real, imaginary, like kind, equal roots, different roots. Discriminant concept was there. Similar to this, you can connect here also. So the partial differential equation is called an elliptic equation when if b square minus 4ac, its answer is less than 0. We will talk about what is BAC. These are coefficients in the given partial differential equation. And when it is called parabolic, it is called parabolic if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. And if it is greater than 0, it is called hyperbolic. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So your partial differential equations can hold any one of this kind. So let us see how the classification of these three types can be found. For example, you can take this question. Here we have one example. So classify the given partial differential equation of second order. Here you are given an expression that is dou square u by dou x square plus 2 into dou square u by dou x dou y plus dou square u by dou y square, which is equal to 0. This is the given partial differential equation of second order. So here what I do is I am trying to understand what type of equation this is. I am trying to classify this. So here, how to understand what is A, what is B, what is C. So in this, what I am doing is I am trying to connect this with the general form. We have a general form for second order partial differential equation. So connecting with the general form, we can understand what is A, what is B, what is C. That is, if you take A is nothing but A is the coefficient of dou square u by dou x square. Then B is connected with dou square u by dou x dou y. Then C is connected with dou square u by dou y square, which is equal to 0 in the given question. Okay. So here, if you connect these two, you can clearly understand A is nothing but it is the coefficient of dou square u by dou x square. B is nothing but it is the coefficient of dou square u by dou x dou y. Similarly, C is the coefficient of dou square u by dou y square. So you can just compare and see. So here this coefficient is here 1. So A is equal to 1. So the coefficient of this term, if you connect, then B is equal to 2. Similarly, here you can see C is equal to 1. What is C? It is the coefficient of dou square u by dou y square. Okay. So we can take these values. So in exam, maybe in 2 more questions you will have this question. So let us apply in this format. What is that? B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. What is B? B is nothing but 2. So 2 square is 4 minus 4 into A. A is 1 C is 1. So 4 minus 4, what the answer will get is 0. So the answer will be in any one of this, obviously. So here you can see it is equal to 0, so that is parabolic in nature. So this given partial differential equation of second order is an equation which is a parabola, at all the points. So likewise we can understand after seeing the question, you can kind of the general formula and you can list out what is ABC and substitute in this discriminant, and it will be in any one of this kind. Approximately you can say what kind of equation it is. Okay, clear? Thank you.